My dearly beloved family, how are you all doing? As you can see, I am doing good and I know you are doing perfectly well. All right, my wonderful family, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, I am Agatha Progress Channel on YouTube and I come across your way every blessed day. In this channel, we react to all videos, and in this channel as well, our opinion is highly needed. So why don't you drop your comment in a very constructive way so that we all will jubilate in the comment section. As you know, I don't understand what to know about this video that you're about to watch, but I do hope you pick some sense from those videos. All right, my wonderful family, let me drop the video so watch it together, and don't forget not to subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family so they know all what is going on in the global world today. Right now, let's watch the video and I will be right back.
Hello, how you doing? Sure you're okay. I mean, this one is just going to be a short one, okay? A very short one. I have said it. Of course, you know my name. My name is Nsima. I'm from Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom is Biafra, and we must protect and defend our land. I said it. I just said it last night. I say if you are activist, if you are human rights activist, defender, if you are agitating for Biafra, Oduduwa, Republic, I just said it. I said, do not go to any African countries. I told you, do not go to any African countries because the government of Nigeria is working with especially the 20 African Fulani countries where the Fulanis are residing, where they have people in government. They are working in partnership to make sure they fish out anybody that run to any of these African countries for protection. Even if you go to any of the African countries to seek for asylum, they will never give it to you. They will arrest you and they will hand over to the Nigerian government. Did you not see what just happened now? 4 hours ago, Sunday Igboho was arrested in Cotonou. Yes, Sahara reporters. Sunday Igboho was arrested in Cotonou. I have said this. I have said this again. I did not know. I just told you, anytime I come on social media and make a statement, it is what I feel, because Biafra is a spirit. And I know that I download information, and when I download information from the spirit, I deliver it. I just said it. If you are a Biafra agitator, activist, Oduduwa activist, do not go to any African countries thinking that you are safe. They will catch you and they will hand over to the Nigerian government because they are working in partnership. They are all partners in crime, and they are doing everything to make sure they crack down on anybody who is speaking against them, who is exposing them. Did you not see the news? They just arrested Sunday Igboho in Cotonou. That is to confirm what I have just said. I told you that the Kenya government authorities have always been doing the same. They will kidnap you and they will hand over to the Nigerian government, not just Nigerian government, Turkish government, any government at all, because that is always the center. When you run to any of these places and you think that you are looking for asylum or protection or refugee or whatever, they don't obey court orders. These African countries, especially 20 African countries, they do not respect court orders. I am going to do more exposition on this because that is just the truth, my people. Do not go to any African countries and think that you are safe. They will hand you over to the Nigerian government because they are working in partnership. They have arrested Sunday Igboho in Cotonou. I don't know how that happened. I don't know the story, but I just saw the headlines from Sahara reporters, and that confirmed my broadcast yesterday. Go and look at my broadcast yesterday. Around there about, I don't know, 12 midnight is when I do that broadcast, because I did not just know. I felt in the spirit that I need to do that broadcast, and that broadcast I did, and it has happened. This is the confirmation. Don't go to any African countries. That is just my short message, because I don't want to talk too much. Sunday Igboho was arrested in Cotonou. That is a proof of what I've been talking about. That is what the Nigerian government are doing. Anywhere there is Fulani, they are working in the government together because it's an hidden agenda Fulanization is a hidden agenda that they have been pursuing for so many years. Now it is getting exposed. Sunday Igboho is exposing it, just like our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is exposing it. And they do not want it. They do not like it because they have already taken over some of the African countries. So if you make mistake and run to any of these African countries, they will kidnap you and they will hand over you to the Nigerian government. That is what they are doing. Let me repeat. Fulani already have taken over some of the African countries. So if you run to any of these African countries, example, Kenya, Cotonou, and all these places, if you run to these countries, they will kidnap you and they will hand over you to the Nigerian government because they are working in partnership. Our people do not run to any African countries because the Nigerian government is working in partnership with their Fulani brothers all over Africa. Please, if you want to be safe, my name is Nsima. I'm from Akwa Ibom. Akwa Ibom is Biafra. Cross Rivers is Biafra, and we must protect and defend our land. Bye for now.
Hey, my wonderful family, the latest update this morning is Yoruba freedom fighter Sunday Igboho arrested in Cotonou. This is so bad. The Yoruba freedom fighter Sunday Ademo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has been arrested in Cotonou, Benin Republic by security operative in the West Africa countries. I don't really know why it's like this, that if you entered any Africa country, what they will do the next minute is just to call on Nigerian government and tell them those person you are looking for is here. It's just like the Nigerian government work hand in hand with these people. They have a very strong a relationship with all these Africa countries because they gave them a lot of money. So when they are looking for you, they will just be giving all the Africa countries money, and when they see you, believe me, they buzz you and they take you. So when you are running away, don't pass through any Africa country. And I know that it's difficult for you to live anywhere without not landing yourself, your legs in one of these Africa countries while you are on your trip going. So what are we going to do this moment? Now, let me keep up with you with the update. A source proof to his departure from Nigeria said he has perfectly planned to secretly escape from Nigeria through Cotonou and was heading to Germany. He was, however, not by security operative in the neighboring country. Speaking with Sahara reporters, a source said in the incident said Sunday Igboho has been arrested in Cotonou. He was arrested about an hour ago. He was supposed to travel to Germany through Cotonou this night. He wanted to leave Africa through Cotonou. He was arrested by security operative in Cotonou. They are planning to bring him back to Nigeria. Oh my word. If you recall that the Department of State Service have declared Igboho wanted after its operatives carried out a bloody midnight raid on his residence in the area of Ibadan, Oyo State. You know, not quite long, the Nigerian government, that is Department of State Service, confirmed killings on the Igboho aides, asked him to report to the nearest police station. We all heard about the news that no matter where Igboho hide, that they are going to fetch him out. They said he should surrender himself to the appropriate authorities, any close to him. He or anyone can never be above the law. That was the message that was passed to Sunday Igboho, that he should kindly report himself. But being that he's a brave man and he have not seen anything wrong that he has done, he tried to run away for his dear life. And believe me, it's a very painful one that now he has been caught. They have kidnapped him again in Cotonou this time. Cotonou here, Cotonou. These people, I don't really understand the rates of hunger. They test after human beings, the rate of hunger in their land that makes them to forget their senses and their ancestors. I don't really know. Now, we just hope that it's going to be well with Sunday Igboho, because right now, a lot has been going on and it's not really funny anymore. So now I see that the Nigerian government, whenever they want to do something, it's so easy for them to track only the people from the southeast and the south. Then what about the ones that are in the northern part of Nigeria? Nobody is talking about it. This is another eye opener for the Biafra people and the Oduduwa to come together. Yes, this is a combined force, not only for one person, but every one of you, wherever you is, this is the time for you to showcase it. Look at what happened to Mazinadi Kalu and now Sunday Igboho. This time around is not really going to be so easy. It's going to be light, and we urge all the Oduduwa's brothers to come out and fight for their own. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Please drop your opinion for me in the comment section, what you feel about this video, because I'm short of words. Anyways, remember the way we normally do it. Do well to share this video with your friends and family and let them know the latest happening all over the globe. I see you when I see you. Don't forget, whenever the news comes around, I will surely bring it to your table. See you. Bye bye.